Now we are going to see exercise 6D word problems. First question. I am reading the question first, then I will explain the sum. 58 children were standing in rows of 9. How many rows of 9 children could they make? I will repeat. 58 children were standing in rows of 9. How many rows of 9 children could they make? So that means that is 58 children were standing in rows of 9. So total number of students is, what is total number of students is, students or children is 58. So total number of children is 58. Okay. Next is, we are standing in rows of 9. So the 58 children arranged, all the 58 children are arranged in 9 rows. Arranged in 9 rows. Okay. That is, the number of children in a row is what? That is 9. Number of children in a row is 9. That is, number of rows, that means each row, that is 9 children. Total number of children is 58. They were standing in rows of 9. That means we have to find out how many rows. That is the main question. We have to find out. But in each row, 9 children are standing. 9 children were standing. So total number of children is what? 58. In each row, how many children were standing? That is 9 children are standing in each row. Then you have to find out how many rows. That is the question. So how many rows of 9 children could they make? That is the question. So number of children in a row, that is 9. In a row or each row, both are same. Number of rows of 9 children they could make. Number of rows of 9 children they could make. That is 58 is total number of children, and in each row 9 children were standing. So 58 is going to divide by 9. So that is what I am going to divide. It is 58 is the dividend and 9 is a what? Divisor. You must use the 9th table. So I'll write the 9th table. That is 9 ones are, that is 9, and 9 twos are 18. Then 9 threes are, that is 27. 9 fours are 36. 9 fives are 45. Then 9 6 are, that is what? 54. You must stop. Up to this you have to write 54. 54. So 9 6 are 54. So now after that you have to subtract 8 minus 4. You can get 4. So that means backward counting after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is 4. 5 minus 4, 0. So you cancel the 0. You should not consider. This is a quotient and this is a remainder. So that is number of rows. You have to consider the whole number. That is quotient. You have to consider number of rows is what? 6 rows. That is 6 rows. This is the right answer for the question. Understood? That is number of children is, total number of children is 58. Number of children in a row, that is number of children in each row. Number of children, that is total number of children is 58. Number of children in a row or in each row, that is in a row or in each row 9. That is 9 children in each row. And number of rows of 9 children they could make. 58 is going to divide by 9. Number of rows of 9 children they could make. 58 is going to divide by 9. That is total number of children is going to divide by 1, each row of children. Each row of children, that is 9 children. Okay. 58 is going to divide by 9. That is quotient is 6. You have to consider only the whole number. That is quotient you have to consider. That means number of row, that is 6 rows. How many rows? This is the question. Of 9 children they could make. That means number of rows is equal to what? 6 rows. This is the right answer.